guys, Happy New Year, and this is my weekend plan. So today we are here in MidValley. We are going to play a game with random people. The player will just need to pick the ace out of this stack of cards. He will entitle a day free on cruise at Port Dixon, and I will send him there by Audi R8. Audi R8 level. There's only one ace in this stack of cards, so the chances of getting the ace is almost zero. But never mind, let's see who will be the lucky winner. Let's go. Sorry to disturb, I have a few questions to ask you. Is it okay? We are actually a media company. No? Okay, sorry. Sorry, can I ask you a few questions? Just a few questions. Is it okay? Oh, you are not free.
Much later.
This is my weekend plan. So, what's your name?
And his name is John C.
So, Wing Yi, is it? Yeah. Okay, so just ask you a few questions. Usually, what do you do during your weekends?
Watching movie, games.
Or play games? Usually, what do you do during your weekends?
Hang around, shopping around.
Go to the mall.
Watch movie.
Yeah. Stay at the house.
Stay at house.
Watch movie.
Watch movie. You?
Stay at home.
Stay at home lah. Stay at home, still watch movie lah.
Shopping.
Shopping.
Stay at home. Sometimes go for sushi.
So today we are going to play a very quick game with you. If you manage to get the ace, then you will win the day trip on cruise. Are you ready for that?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. So who want to go? You.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
2,000 years later.
Oh, okay. Just pick. And then don't open first, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you are the lucky winner. Now I'm going to bring you to the cruise. Let's go. Just let's go.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
How's your day?
It was very fun and I'm very enjoyed for today. So thanks to my weekend plan for giving me such a wonderful weekend.
So thank you so much for participation.
Thank you.
So you guys can actually have your own weekends by just log on to www.myweekendplan.com.my. We need you to help us to choose the next destination for us to hunt for the winner. This is the destination. You just have to pick one.
Oh my God!
So guys, let's guess the next shopping mall we are going to hunt for the new winner. See you again.